Chosen One, as you're probably aware, you are gifted. While this may seem like a good thing on the surface, there are challenges that accompany this gift. What you may not be aware of is that being gifted comes with consequences. You must be ready for what's about to come your way. The term devil may represent not just a supernatural evil force, but also people with bad intentions. These individuals or forces recognize the power within the chosen ones and feel threatened by it. They know that chosen ones have the ability to make significant positive impacts, challenge the status quo, and spread light in places of darkness. This recognition of potential makes the evil forces and those who align with them fearful. The devil is terrified of the immense potential and power that lies within the chosen ones. Chosen ones have a special purpose, a divine calling that sets them apart. This purpose can bring positive change to the world and disrupt the plans of evil forces. The devil, seen as an embodiment of evil, recognizes this potential and sees it as a threat. He fears what the chosen ones can accomplish when they fully embrace their calling. The devil's fear stems from the knowledge that chosen ones are connected to a higher power. This connection gives them strength, wisdom, and guidance that can counteract evil plans. The devil knows that chosen ones have an inner light that can shine brightly, exposing and dispelling darkness. This light is a direct threat to the evil forces' influence and control, but this is just the surface of it. You must be aware of this very important blessing you have in order to win against these forces. Keep watching to find out what it is. Evil people use various tactics to try to undermine and destroy the chosen ones. These tactics are deliberate and aimed at weakening the chosen one's spirit and resolve. One of the primary methods used by these negative forces is to cause discouragement and fear. By instilling these feelings, they hope to divert chosen ones from their path and make them doubt their abilities and purpose. Discouragement is a powerful tool. When chosen ones face setbacks or challenges, the devil and those aligned with him amplify these difficulties. They aim to make chosen ones feel isolated and unsupported. This sense of isolation can lead to feelings of hopelessness and a loss of motivation. By making chosen ones doubt themselves, the devil attempts to halt their progress and prevent them from achieving their goals. Fear is another significant tactic. The devil understands that fear can paralyze and prevent action. By instilling fear, he hopes to make chosen ones hesitant and unsure. This fear can manifest in various ways, such as fear of failure, fear of judgment, or fear of the unknown. The goal is to create enough anxiety and worry that chosen ones are too afraid to take steps towards their destiny. The devil's attacks are not random or haphazard. They are calculated and strategic. He carefully plans his moves, targeting the chosen ones with precision. This is because he understands the importance of this battle. The stakes are incredibly high, as it is a battle for your soul. The devil knows that by sowing seeds of doubt, fear, and temptation, he can weaken your resolve and distract you from your true purpose. Doubt is one of the devil's primary weapons. He tries to make chosen ones question their abilities, their purpose, and their worth. This doubt can creep into their thoughts, making them second-guess every decision and action. When doubt takes hold, it can paralyze and prevent forward progress. The devil uses this to his advantage, knowing that a doubtful mind is less likely to pursue its divine calling with confidence. Fear is another key tactic. The devil instills fear to create hesitation and anxiety. Fear can manifest in many forms: fear of failure, fear of rejection, or fear of the unknown. This fear can be crippling, causing chosen ones to avoid taking necessary steps towards their goals. By keeping them in a state of fear, the devil hopes to keep them from realizing their full potential. As a chosen one, it's crucial that you embrace your identity and calling. Recognizing and accepting who you are is the first step in fulfilling your divine purpose. I must remind you once again that you receive these attacks because the evil forces are afraid of what's inside you. They know the power and potential you carry, and this scares them. By understanding and embracing your true identity, you can stand firm against these attacks and remain focused on your path. Embracing your identity means acknowledging that you are chosen for a special purpose. This purpose may involve bringing light to dark places, healing, or spreading love and positivity. Whatever it is unique to you and essential for the greater good. The devil will try to make you doubt this purpose, but it is important to hold on to the truth of who you are and what you are meant to do. One of the ways to embrace your identity is by recognizing that the devil's attacks are actually a sign that you are on the right track. If you were not a threat to his plans, he would not bother with you. The fact that you face challenges and obstacles is a testament to the importance of your mission. It means that you have something valuable and powerful within you that the devil fears. When you face challenges or attacks on your spiritual journey, it's a sign of your growth and the light you are bringing into the world. The devil is afraid of what's inside you, your light, your love, and your power to transform yourself and the world around you. This fear drives his attempts to weaken you, but understanding this can give you the strength to overcome these attacks. The first step in overcoming these attacks is to recognize them for what they are. These challenges are not random, they are deliberate attempts to derail you from your path. By seeing them clearly, you can address them with the appropriate strategies. Awareness of the nature of these attacks allows you to stay vigilant and prepared, reducing their impact on your journey. Staying strong is crucial in the face of these attacks. Inner strength comes from knowing your true self and staying connected to your purpose. Remind yourself daily of your mission and the importance of your role. This mental reinforcement can fortify your resolve and keep you focused. Practicing self-care, such as maintaining a healthy lifestyle and engaging in spiritual practices, can also bolster your strength. Your gifts may just be your greatest blessings, and they have the potential to be your strongest shield against evil forces. Chosen ones are known for receiving unique gifts due to their nature and divine calling. Understanding and identifying your gifts are crucial for their effective use in your spiritual journey. These gifts are not random. They are bestowed upon you to help you fulfill your purpose and combat evil forces. Recognizing and embracing these gifts can significantly enhance your ability to navigate and overcome challenges. One of the most common gifts chosen ones receive is heightened intuition. This gift allows you to sense things beyond the ordinary. It helps you perceive threats, understand deeper truths, and make decisions aligned with your higher purpose. Your intuition is like a compass, guiding you on your path and helping you avoid pitfalls. Trusting your intuition can provide clarity and confidence, especially when faced with difficult choices. Healing abilities are another significant gift often granted to chosen ones. This can manifest in various forms, such as physical healing, emotional support, or spiritual guidance. The ability to heal yourself and others is a powerful tool against negativity. By using this gift, you can bring relief and comfort to those around you, fostering a positive environment and strengthening your community. Understanding your gifts also means recognizing their purpose. Each gift is given to serve a specific role in your mission. For instance, your ability to inspire others can help spread positivity and encourage growth. It's essential to take advantage of these gifts when battling evil forces. They are your tools and weapons in the spiritual battle you face. Your intuition can alert you to hidden dangers and guide you to safer paths. Your healing abilities can mend wounds inflicted by negative forces, keeping you and your allies strong and resilient. By actively using your gifts, you enhance your capacity to stand firm against the attacks. Chosen ones are called to persevere in the face of adversity and spiritual attacks. Perseverance is not just about enduring hardships. It's about maintaining your resolve and continuing to move forward despite the challenges. The path of a chosen one is often filled with obstacles, but each challenge is an opportunity to strengthen your spirit and deepen your commitment to your divine purpose. One key aspect of perseverance is refusing to give up. When you face attacks, it can be tempting to feel overwhelmed and consider abandoning your path. However, giving up means allowing these forces to win. By steadfastly continuing your journey, you show strength and resilience. This unwavering determination sends a clear message that you are committed to your mission and will not be easily swayed. Another important element of perseverance is maintaining faith. Faith in your purpose, in yourself, and in the higher power that guides you. This faith acts as an anchor, keeping you grounded during turbulent times. When doubts and fears arise, your faith can provide the reassurance you need to keep going. It reminds you of the importance of your mission and the support you have from the divine. Staying focused on your goals is also crucial for perseverance. They will attempt to use distractions and temptations to divert you from your path. By keeping your eyes on your objectives, you can resist these distractions and stay true to your purpose. Set clear goals and remind yourself regularly of what you are working towards. This focus helps you navigate through challenges without losing sight of your ultimate aim. Being a chosen one is not just a blessing. It is an immense responsibility that can often feel like a burden. The expectations placed on your shoulders are heavy, and the path you walk is filled with relentless scrutiny and challenges. You are expected to lead, to be a beacon of light in a world riddled with darkness, but this role can be incredibly isolating and exhausting. The reality of being a chosen one means you are constantly under attack. The negative forces are always seeking ways to exploit your weaknesses and bring you down. There are days when the weight of this responsibility feels unbearable, when you question if you have the strength to continue. The sense of duty can strip away your sense of normalcy, leaving you feeling disconnected from the world and those around you. The pressure to always do the right thing can be suffocating. People look up to you, expecting you to have all the answers and never falter. This constant demand for perfection can lead to immense stress and self-doubt. The fear of failure looms large, knowing that a single misstep can have significant consequences not just for you, but for those you are meant to guide and protect. Despite the challenges and burdens, being a chosen one is a profound journey of purpose and impact. It is a path illuminated by moments of clarity, growth, and transformation. Every struggle faced and obstacle overcome strengthens your spirit and reaffirms your commitment to your divine calling. Remember, you possess unique gifts and strengths that empower you to make a positive difference in the world. Your light shines brightest in the darkest moments, offering hope and inspiration to those around you. Embrace the journey with courage and perseverance, knowing that you are not alone in your mission. Surround yourself with supportive allies who understand and appreciate the depth of your role. Seek solace in spiritual practices that replenish your soul and renew your strength. Trust in the guidance of a higher power that guides you on this path. If you're still watching, I'd like to thank you for your attention. If you enjoyed the content and want to see more, please consider clicking the subscribe button. Your support is very appreciated. Feel free to share your experiences or thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, take care and subscribe for more insightful content.